Good morning and welcome to the vlog where we get our concrete curbing that is going to outline our future asphalt driveway. Before we get to that though, there is something that I need to show you. I don't think we ever showed you Joel's rock wall. We knew that we had to retain this area right here. So what Joel did was he went through our property and gathered all, one by one, these huge rocks that were all over our property, and he made a pile. Then he used the tractor and he cut out the edge right here. He had to, do his thing by cutting the road out right here. And then he tractor placed each rock, making a rock wall that acts as our retaining wall right here. With our property, we are going to have to be doing grading for everything. So every little task that we do around the yard, we're going to be grading along the way. So he also did some grading as he did the rock wall. So as a reminder, here is what the before looked like, and here is the after. Talk about giving me a stomach ache. One thing about Joel is he is not going to not finish a project, and we just had our cement catastrophe and he's like, I don't want to tell you this, but I'm doing concrete today. I'm like, what? I'm like, by yourself again? He's a live and learn kind of guy, so pray for us because because Joel's doing concrete again and I'm scared to death. I don't know why it has made me such a nervous wreck, but I'm a nervous wreck. And I just happened to pull in our driveway right behind the cement guy. I'm scared to death. Who's down there with him? Oh, Olivia. Well, he's got Olivia in Boston. With all their experience of cement work. I know the kids are nervous too, but they're so good and helpful.
Go clean out that blue bucket there. The blue bucket over there, go make sure it's clean.
I think you have too much faith in us.
I don't think you have enough faith in yourself.
Oh my. Last cement mix. Boston. You guys just gonna run in the light of the moon or what?
Plenty of daylight.
You're running out of daylight. The camera makes it look a lot lighter than it actually is.
Yeah, I know it. We're doing good. We're doing all right.
Take us like 10 minutes to finish this.
I'll tell you one thing about Joel. It doesn't matter what's going on. He's got it. So he says. He's like, no, I got it. It's fine.
Fake it till you make it. Fake it till you replace 12 yards of concrete. Or then start over. Fake it again.
It's not funny.
Oh, I did see the comments. People were like, don't do diamonds, you'll hate it. So maybe we lucked out.
Maybe.
But I still want to do it, mostly to just prove that I can friggin' do it.
Truth is, I haven't even looked at comments. Oh, that scared me. You were moving that and it was moving my arm and it scared me to death.
The concrete forms are in, but I need to backfill the dirt a little bit. And since concrete's coming so early, we're gonna stay up late and do it. And since the light on this tractor I can't get to work, I've checked the fuse, I've checked the wiring, I can't figure out why it's gone bad. So I took a portable power pack, a shop spotlight, and we're gonna work with that guy. I think that'll work. We'll be all right. We'll see.
Like, tell me she's not the cutest thing you've ever seen. She wishes she was outside with him. I, on the other hand, was told not to come outside with him. Joel was like, why don't you sleep in while we do the concrete? I was like, Joel, that is ridiculous. I could never do that. And then he rephrased and said, I don't want you outside while we do concrete. And I said, fine with me. I understand. It's fine. I don't take offense to that. It is best that I'm inside while they're out there. Look at them. Look at them. I love them so much. Oh my.
Oh, look at my end. Look at my end.
Gosh.
Look. Oh my gosh.
What in
That is a
the
huge
world?
one. We get those constantly.
We get these gusts of wind. Did you see Dad take cover? That was insane. That was insane. Look how ready they are. They're so cute. Oh, I'm so in love with them. Did you just see that handshake? That was the greatest thing ever. Oh, I love seeing them work together. That's what I love. And I know how they're gonna feel every time they see the cement and basically everything else that they've helped with, which is everything, because that's how I feel when I see projects that I helped on at my house. They're so good. They're the greatest helpers. I think back on my help and I'm like, I think I was useless. Basically about as useless as I am right now.
How's it look?
Way different than when I left.
Does it look better? Yeah.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure all this road base gets put in and wetted down so it's really good for asphalt.
Oh my gosh. I heard Lady whimpering. She sees the kids. Oh my gosh. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Look at her, look at them. Apparently they're waiting for the concrete truck. Where the heck is the concrete truck? This is the most wholesome thing I've ever seen. Do you want to go out and see him? Do you want to go out and see him? Want to go out and see him?
Come here. Hi. Hey. Hey, ready?
She was whining.
Oh. She's like, I like the porch. Let me get the porch.
Oh yeah, she's like, what's the party out there? Where the heck is the cement truck?
Right on time. I don't know.
Oh. Hey, are y'all framed?
Excuse me, what?
What?
Are you all
That's not
framed?
what you said. That is
Are
not-
you all framed up?
Yes, we are. We are all
Yeah,
framed.
we are.
Y'all, what the?
I am. Oh, that was like so pretty, Olivia. You look so pretty, smiling.
She's so happy right now.
Yeah, she is. She's like, oh. Look at her, like, look back at you like, oh, hey. Don't ever leave me outside the porch again.
Ever.
Don't you ever leave me again. Oh.
Yikes, sissy. Lady.
I wish we had a hook. I just want a baby duck.
A baby
we should
duck?
We should like all collectively buy a baby duck.
You can buy one for
Lady's
$5.
best friend if it was a baby
That'd be
duck.
hilarious.
That would be the sweetest thing ever.
And the baby duck would
The duck
bully.
could probably bully Lady.
Yeah, well,
Look,
Lady
you're,
needs some.
you're in my world now.
Lady needs it. You'd be fine.
She needs a friend.
Would you let me get a duck if I just got a little baby duck?
Okay.
Really? If I came home with one, Would you be mad?
We'll figure it out.
Okay, well.
You take care of it. I don't
I
care.
might be coming home with one next week or tomorrow.
Where are you gonna put it, in Lincoln's room?
No, in the shop.
Oh.
You would not have a deck in the shop.
Yeah.
Has this gotten worse? Or has that always been there?
Oh,
Yeah, I think that's been there. Ugh, that makes me so sad. No, this is the one that's always been there.
There's a couple.
I've made 600 something.
I seriously love watching you guys manage your money.
So fun.
It's so fun.
You guys at least manage it. I would just roll it up and put it in a boot and hide it from my brothers.
I like to manage mine like this. I did what you guys did. I would add it up a million times. I would minus what I was gonna spend. Like,
It's so fun.
it was more like a game.
Yeah.
Can you see why she was whining to get outside? Just play. Okay, well now she's ready to come back inside.
Big boy bubblegum.
Anybody else want some gum?
The most important tool of the day.
It's gonna be blue.
Joel's like, where's my bubble gum?
Well, you get so parched, you know. So.
Well, I'm the type of... Nothing. Nothing. I'm sorry.
Chew on your bubble gum.
Cody's gonna move the tractor. Cement's on its way. It's coming down the road in a moment.
She said 2 minutes. We should have kept count.
We should have.
She's a liar. Her name is Karen.
Come on, Code. I want to see you move.
Make you move.
Does the top framing end at the exact same spot at the top?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Like they're straight across from each other?
I think so.
What do you mean? You think?
That one's
Does
a
it or
little
doesn't
bit
it?
further. No, I swear
Then we
that
need.
one.
I'm gonna go move it back then real quick, just so it's
What? Joel, what the heck?
fine.
Are you for real?
I knew I got it as far as I could, and I haven't moved the little block down yet, so I gotta do it.
Oh.
Dad, Mom's third eyeball can see past all of ours.
I was like, you're really nonchalant about that very massive detail.
Lady.
So you're gonna shorten the one on the right? Well, boy, your truck is
Hey.
here.
Ew, I don't want the concrete to be here.
Boy, I'm on my break.
Okay. I think I'm gonna have him turn around.
Yeah, you gotta go. Yeah, there's a reason you don't want me out here. All right, I'm going back inside.
Let's get the hysteria back inside. Take the dog.
Lady, let's go. Boston, you never took that box.
Wait, can you give me a glass of water?
Yeah. Lady, come. You can watch from inside with mommy. Welcome to the last pour. This is the last concrete pour before our driveway gets put in. You doing okay?
I think so.
Are you?
Oh, this is gonna be huge. So do you want me to work this?
I am very proud to redeem ourselves in the concrete department. So if you watched our vlog where we demolished that front entryway right here, if you haven't watched it, go watch it. I'll put it in the description for you. But that was 12 yards of concrete that we ruined. And here I am showing you a sort of a bird's eye view of the 30 yards of concrete that Joel and the kids did. You see, we have the long stretch for the driveway, which two reasons that we decided to do the curbing along the edge. One is for aesthetic. I think that it's very beautiful to see the concrete that will eventually line the black asphalt road. And number two, it will help keep the longevity of the road so that the edges won't break off as easy or as quick. You can kind of see that the curbing goes down the straightaway and then curves and everything inside this curbing, so it goes into the garage, and then this is covered with dirt, but it follows this path right here up to the shop, and everything on the inside will be asphalt. Now let me tell you how much money we saved doing this ourselves. Is the concrete perfect? Absolutely not. Is it mostly straight? Yes. Is it definitely level and even? Yes. That is one thing that we do not mess around with around here. And the reason that we decided to do this ourselves is because when we have hired professionals, we've had issues. And so you're paying top dollar for minor issues, right? And sometimes they're not so minor. And so we decided to do it ourselves. And yes, there are some minor imperfections, but we are very happy that we saved $30,000. We actually had several bids, and that was the average price, was 30 grand to do this trim work. So we're very happy with it. We're very happy with the money that we saved. And there is a difference when you look at your own imperfections. It's heartwarming. It's like, my baby boys did that. My little dolly Olivia did that. My husband did that, trying their very best. Versus I paid a professional top dollar and this is a crappy imperfection. There's such a difference, and I would much rather endearingly look at the imperfections. And lastly, this is something that our kids can look at and really take pride in, something that was very difficult, that was new for them, but when they look at it, they can feel accomplished knowing I did this work. And that really says something. That really says something. So when you come around this bend, you can see more where it lines up with the shop right here. This is covered in dirt because it's supposed to be at the moment. This is the last of the curbing. I wanted a flower bed that lined the retaining wall over here, and to give a nice clean edge for the asphalt. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you think Joel and the kids did a good job, make sure you click the thumbs up button and leave them a comment telling them what you think. If you are new to our channel, make sure you click subscribe if you want to see the rest of our property come into shape. And if you are not caught up to this point, I will have our home building playlist that includes the landscape in the description below. Bye guys.